Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Signing out of Yahoo Mail on an Android phone is different than on a computer. You won't find a simple sign out button in the settings menu. Instead, you have to manage your account access within the app's internal settings. First, open the Yahoo Mail app on your Android device. Look at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on your profile icon or the letter representing your name. This opens a side menu with several options. Look for the button labeled Manage Accounts and tap it. You will see a list of all the Yahoo accounts currently logged into your phone. Next to each account, there is a blue toggle switch. If you just want to stop receiving emails temporarily, flip that switch to the off position. However, to fully sign out, you must remove the account from the device. To do this, look for the option that says Edit in the top right corner. Tap it to reveal a red Remove button next to your account name. Tap Remove to confirm your choice. This action logs you out and deletes your account data from the app. You can always sign back in later using your email address and password. If you use multiple accounts, repeat these steps for each one. This process ensures your private emails stay secure if someone else uses your phone. It is a quick and easy way to keep your information safe. Managing your digital privacy is important, and knowing how to disconnect your accounts is a key part of that. Now your Yahoo Mail app is signed out.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.